To install mods on R.E.P.O, that's what you need to do here. First, you need to open a browser, then you need to write Thunderstore, and then select this link here. Then you need to press Get an App, and you'll end up on this window here. Then you just need to download an Overwolf here. And once it's downloaded, you should get this little thing here. Then you need to just install Overwolf with Thunderstore Mod Manager, right? Press Next. And then press Next again. Accept and install, and wait until installation process is done. Once Thunderstore is opened, then search Game, look for R.E.P.O. Then press Select Game, wait for a couple of seconds here. Then select Profile. And then you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now. Then what you need to do here is to get mods, and then you need to install Weapon-X pack, because without it, you cannot install mods. So just download with dependencies and wait until Weapon-X is installed. And then you should see Weapon-X under My Mods if you install successfully. And then once it's installed, you can press Get Mods and install your desirable mods here. You just need to, as you can see here, download and then download mods here. And once mods is installed, it will be under your mods folder. But wait, you need to change your game directory in order to do not get crashes on your game. So now the next step, what you need to do here, you need to open up your Steam or other platform where you got the game. Then right click on R.E.P.O, go to Properties, install files, browse, and then you just need to copy the path of your folder here. Then you need to go back to Thunderstore, and then you need to go to Settings. Then you need to press on Change R.E.P.O folder. Press on that, new window should open up, and then you just need to paste the path that we copied, and then make sure exe file is here, and then press Open, right? With select R.E.P.O and press Open here. And as you can see here, it should be under the Change R.E.P.O folder, your native directory of the game. And then if you want to play R.E.P.O, modded R.E.P.O, do not click it on Steam, press on modded here, and all your mods will work. So that's it. If I help you out, please press like.